Ready to save big on your crypto taxes? Today I've got something super exciting for you, exclusive Koinly coupon codes. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your discount. Alright, let's get into it. If you're not familiar with Koinly, it's a fantastic crypto tax software that helps you easily track and report your crypto transactions. Trust me, it's a lifesaver when tax season rolls around. Now, normally Koinly can be a bit pricey, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some exclusive coupon codes that'll help you save big on their plans. Whether you're a casual trader or a hardcore investor, there's a code for you. First up, we've got our basic plan. Use the code BASIC20 at checkout to get 20% off. This is perfect for those of you who are just dipping your toes into the crypto world. Next, for the more serious traders, we have the advanced plan. Enter the code ADVANCE25 to snag a 25% discount. This plan offers more features and support for a wider range of transactions. And finally, for the ultimate crypto investors, we have the Pro plan. Use the code PRO30 to get a whopping 30% off. This plan is loaded with all the bells and whistles you'll need to handle even the most complex crypto portfolios. But that's not all. Koinly also offers a free trial so you can test out their features before committing to a plan. Combine that with our exclusive coupon codes and you're looking at some serious savings. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to grab your discount and start saving on your crypto taxes today. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to make your crypto journey smoother and more affordable. Thanks for watching and happy trading.